Hi guys! As you can see guys, katapos ko lang maligo, I'm done with the body care and the hair care, but I haven't done my skincare yet, like my face, because we are going to have a new skincare trial. And super duper exciting guys, kasi para sa mga katulad ko, ages 25 years old and above. I'm 32 by the way. I think it's the perfect time na gumamit na tayo ng mga anti-aging products. And saktong-sakto nagpadala sa akin yung Avon for me to try yung kanilang bagong anti-aging serum, which is the Anew Renewal Activating Serum. So this product is formulated with a unique ingredient combination that works in multi-layers to help improve skin performance from inside out. Meron siyang Avon's exclusive proteinol that strengthens and firms the skin, and then meron ding niacinamide that works at the skin surface to help skin renewal. So ang promise ng Anew Renewal Activating Serum, fine lines look reduced, firmer looking skin, smoother looking skin, radiant glow, pores look minimized, stronger feeling skin, and more resilient skin. Pero to maximize the effect daw, it needs a little bit of help. So meron din tayo ng Anew Reversalist Perfecting Day Cream with SPF 25. You need to apply it after the serum to protect the skin against environmental factors. Lalo na kung ikaw lumalabas pa din or your work requires you to go out and everything. And then kailangan ng night cream to provide additional moisture overnight. So meron din tayo ng Anew Reversalist Revitalizing Cream. So both of these products merong proteinol for plumper and brighter skin. And dito ako na-intriga guys, in 1 week daw makakakita ka na ng result. You're going to feel fresher and hydrated, merong radiant glow, your skin is gonna look and feel healthier and more youthful in just 1 week daw. Talaga ba? So yun lang yung pinadala nila, pero para tayo, unified, bumili ako ng Revitalizing Cleanser, a new Reversalist Revitalizing Cleanser para ito yung cleanser na gagamitin ko. So guys, ito ang promise ko for 1 week, I'm not gonna use anything. Ito lang talagang mga products na to. Kaya tingnan natin if it's going to make me look and feel youthful yung aking skin. Galing ko na ito. Okay, so let's do the before shot. So first I'm going to wash my face muna guys, okay? I'll be back. Also guys, itong serum na to suitable for all skin type daw. Allergy tested, dermatologist tested, clinically tested, so mild and gentle daw siya sa skin and non-comedogenic. Let's not forget the neck, you guys. So, nag-set na siya. I'm going to use na the day cream. So that's it for day 1, daytime. I'll see you later for the nighttime routine.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body. We were dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body. The way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, with every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body. The way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body. The way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. With every breath that we're taking, with every step you're
Hey there guys! So it is already the it's already the 9th day of me using the Anew renewal activating serum, and I think I am ready to like talk about it and share my thoughts. But before that, let me show you the after effects of using the Avon Anew renewal activating serum for 1 week. A little bit more than 1 week. Oh my god guys, I hope you don't mind, medyo uneven yung lighting natin because sobrang init ng araw. Tinakpan ko ng very slight. Anyway, let's get down to business. Uunahin ko na yung number 1 na tanong. Effective ba itong Avon Anew Renewal Activating Serum? After 1 week, you guys, based on my experience, honest to goodness opinion, it is effective. Okay, lilinawin ko ha. Now, let me give you the details paano ko nasabing effective siya, you guys. Kasi una sa lahat, naramdaman ko na na-moisturize talaga yung skin ko compared to the state of my skin before I started this skincare routine. As in, my skin looks, you know, really healthy. Moisturized, soft, smooth. Paano ko nasabi? Kasi wala akong nararamdaman mga rough patches and wala akong nararamdaman ng mga butlig-butlig. And you can get rid of rough patches and yung mga butlig-butlig if you have a really hydrated, moisturized skin. And this one gave me the moisture that I need, honest to goodness opinion. Ngayon, another thing na na-notice ko is naging maaliwalas yung skin ko. Para siyang may brightening effect. When I say maaliwalas, guys, alam mo yung feeling ng bagong hilamos. Parang ganon. Pero like, the entire day. And if you've been watching my channel and my skincare reviews, I am so addicted to products na, alam mo yun, nakakaaliwalas. Not whitening, okay? Magkaiba yung whitening sa brightening. Brightening is yung parang glowing, parang meron kang aura, parang bagong ligo ka nga. And isa to sa mga products where I get that feeling, I get that effect. Ngayon, alin dito sa 7 promise nila ang nakuha ko in 7 days. Una, fine lines look reduced. Well, honestly, ba ako makakapagbigay ng opinion or review on that because wala pa naman akong like prominent fine lines na alam mo yun, kailangan kong bantayan or tignan. Well, I have lines under my eyes pero that's been there like, I don't know, since elementary. Wala pa naman akong prominent lines here sa eyes ko. Wala pa naman akong like bonggang-bongga smile lines. So, I cannot speak for that part yet. In just 7 days, not yet. But maybe I can definitely see a result after 1 month of using this product. Next, firmer looking skin. That I can say yes, together with a smoother looking skin and radiant glow. Maraming salamat sa hydration and moisturization na dala ng serum na to. My skin look really healthy. Alam mo yun? Can you see, guys? I don't look tired. I don't look dehydrated. I don't look dry or stressed. Next is pores looked minimized. My pores are still there, definitely. Pero hindi ko kasi siya napapansin. Kasi alam mo yung dahil sa sheen na nakukuha ko, hindi ko na notice yung pores ko. So kung yun ang ibig sabihin ng pores look minimized, then yes, ako doon. Stronger feeling skin, more resilient skin. Ngayon, hindi ko pa masasabi kung paano ko mapapatunayan yun or kung na-experience ko ba yun kasi wala pa naman akong na-experience na challenging on my skin. Maybe after a month or so of using this product, I can probably tell if my skin is, you know, stronger or more resilient. Pero honestly, you guys, I love the effect talaga. So, you know, I'm excited kung ano pa yung magiging effect sa skin ko pag ginamit ko to like a month or like 2 months or nang tuloy-tuloy. But one thing is for sure, guys, worth it siya i-try. I do recommend that you try this, lalo na if you're just starting out with your anti-aging journey. And I am telling you, if you're 25 years old and above, you gotta start na. Because nowadays, ang bilis nating tumanda. So that's sun exposure. Pangalawa, pollution. Pangatlo, your lifestyle, what you eat, anong oras ka natutulog. Iba na talaga panahon ngayon. So you gotta start somewhere. Kahit na nasa mid-20s ka pa. Because, you know, prevention is better than cure. So yeah, honest to goodness opinion, I do recommend to try this kasi I did get good results using this in just 1 week or a few days more than 1 week. Plus, it's affordable for an anti-aging serum. Ang mamahal ng serum, let alone anti-aging. So yeah, gotta na sa Avon website, sa Avon stores, or perhaps if you have an Avon lady. Honestly, I do have an Avon lady. Classmate ko noong college. So yeah, that completes this video, guys. I'm gonna link down the products that I used in this video in the description box in case you're interested. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.